Use a ruler to divide your paper into 4 even quadrants. I'm using the ruler to find the halfway point on each end, and then I'm connecting those dots. Make sure that your photo is on your desktop, open it in Preview, and make a grid using the markup tool. I'm going to use the grid by looking at where my paint blob intersects one of my lines and then marking those points. This just gives me an overall structure of the piece and where things are going to go. And then I can use negative shapes and positive shapes and angles to help me get in the rest of the image. Make sure that you're focusing on accuracy here. Turn your piece upside down if that helps you. Ask your neighbor if that helps you. Ask me. But make sure that you're drawing really lightly and accurately. We want to erase the grid, and we want to lighten all our lines with an eraser so that the graphite pencil doesn't show underneath our color pencil. Now we'll go to our sketchbooks and develop our color recipes. So I want you to create color swatches trying to match the colors you see in your photo. Make sure you're using analogous colors, which are colors that are next to one another, so using different types of yellows to make that rich yellow, and using complementary colors, which are our opposites, to make colors darker instead of using only black. When you get a combination that works, make sure to write down the names of those colors so that you don't forget them. Once you've finalized your colors, then you'll start to go ahead and fill in your drawing. Begin with the lightest colors and slowly layer and increase the pressure as you go into your midtones. Next, you'll add your shadows, probably using some complementary colors and definitely using some heavier pressure. If you want to eliminate the pencil strokes, make sure to burnish either using your midtone or highlight color, or depending on what color palette you're working with, you can use white like we did in our practice. All that's left to do is repeat this process over and over for different parts of your paint blob. Remember to go slowly and steadily. We're really going for photorealism here, and so that is just going to take time to do well.